we have the movie keywords table, we have the categories table. So we have to start from movies, then go to movie keywords, which is a connecting table to categories. So we have to go from movies to movie keywords to categories. So we're going to say select m.name, movies.name, and then we're going to do a count on c.id from categories as count. So this is going to be like how many different categories are associated with one movie, right? We're going to start from movies M. There's other ways to write this query, by the way. This is not the only way you could do it. Just the way that it occurred to my brain. Inner join movie keywords MK on mk dot movie ID equals m dot ID. Inner join categories on mk.category_id equals c.id. So movie category ID equals the category ID. Good so far. We're going to group by m.id and m.name. Order by count descending. There should be no nulls in here, right? So I don't have to do the nulls last because the count is always going to return a number. And you can limit here by however many you want. I'll just do 15. Let's check to make sure that works. So this is what I'm getting for movies that have the most keywords. I looked some of these up. This is, I think it said Croatian, or according to Google Translate. This one was, what did we decide? It was Hindi, right? And a bunch of these came back as Hindi. Mogambo came back as Basque, which I'm going to guess may not be correct. It could be Basque. Three Idiots. I'm guessing that's English. I don't know what that is. Anyone know what that is? Kind of a cool script.
It looks like Hebrew.
I don't think that's Hebrew. Anyway, those are the movies that have the most categories associated with them. So, I mean, if this was my database and I was running a website with it, I would look at this and say, like, does that one Croatian film really need 200 categories? That's probably more than a category a minute. I have a strict rule that you cannot have more than a category a minute.